As an auto repair shop owner, when your offer is so good, people feel stupid saying no. It's just the start of getting customers to keep coming back to your repair shop. Most auto repair shop owners create an offer by basically copying what the shop down the street's doing, the same lame offer. I call that marketing incest. So all you do is you take that offer, you offer a little bit more and do it for a little bit less, and that's just a race to bankruptcy. But the real money is in creating offers that actually promote the value, not the price. That's how you keep customers coming back again and again. Here's how we get auto repair shops to generate car count on demand. It starts by using one of the 7 high-value offers that keeps customers coming back month after month. We use my exclusive perfect auto service offer formula, so that means there's never any discounting, never any free services, and certainly never any giveaways that really only attract the bottom feeders and car owners without money. Doing that literally generates car count on demand. Next, we use simple QR codes that automate the entire customer review process. And it's all triggered without you ever lifting a finger. There's never any complicated code or having to log into some fancy CRM that you literally have to be a Philadelphia lawyer to figure out the login. No offense to Philadelphia lawyers, of course, but we do it all without any of those nightmares using just one simple flow that does all the heavy lifting for you. Literally does all the work for you. So you're never left at the front counter begging and pleading with customers to leave you a review when the only thing they want to do is pay their bill and get out of your shop because they lead busy lives. The automated process starts by thanking them, naturally. But then we show them a crazy incentive for just leaving a review that makes them so proud to actually want to leave you a review. And at the same time, we give them a link right to your Google review page. So there's no guessing or having to scribble down notes or trying to figure out where do you want me to leave a review. And if that's not enough, we even include some gentle prompts or nudges about how to leave a review. In other words, we give them simple examples of what they can say and then follow up automatically just to be sure that they left a review. But wait, there's more. Knowing that the best time for your customer to actually refer a friend or an associate to your repair shop is right after they just had a great experience. That's why that same automation carries on to actually get them to refer a friend. And we go even one further by showing them what's in it for them. Because let's face it, nobody's going to refer you to a friend or associate if there's nothing in it for them. But what's best is we know that your customer's friend is 92% more likely to accept a recommendation from their friend rather than anything you're ever going to say in any advertising or promo that you ever do. And once that's done, the automation slides them into a nurture sequence that stays in touch with your customer and it does it all weekly. And that's the kind of follow-up you know you need and you only wish you could do whether you had the staff to do it or not. And the results of that simple automation is loyal customers that keep coming back to you for everything. And you get off that car count roller coaster ride where some months are great and other months you have a hard time scraping enough together just to pay the electric bill and keep the lights on. And on top of that, your online reviews are going to blow up. So you're going to become the authority in your market and you'll never have to worry about that auto repair shop or that chain that keeps coming in every so often down the street from you. If you want to know how to create offers that are so good, customers will actually feel stupid saying no and follow up with them and get the Google reviews and the nurture sequence and all that stuff, just follow the link below this video and I'll show you everything. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. All I've got left to say is happy car counting. Take care. Talk real soon.